In 1991, a group of astrologers came together to create a program that combines astrology and academia, resulting in the highest quality education in astrology. The founders were passionate about raising the level of astrological education and creating a rigorous educational program. Soon, Kepler College was born.
I look back at the meeting that I attended along with 11 other astrologers at the invitation of Maggie Nalbandian, and we imagined what it might be like if there was a college that was devoted to teaching astrology.
I love being involved with Kepler College because it's this amazing place where astrology thought thrives and provides incubation for future research and innovation.
Instructors have a lot of latitude to teach in their own way rather than having to teach in a specific framework, but of course with the good astrology principles.
Kepler College is authentic. We're very straightforward with how much there is to learn.
With more than 60 instructors, Kepler College offers multiple perspectives to provide students with an education that is well-versed across disciplines.
Kepler College offers a range of different courses, from short courses right through to a 4-year diploma program. So we're really getting very specialised, deep teachings from any traditions, really, whether it's in the medieval, the Hellenistic, in various prediction techniques from all over the world.
My favorite thing about Kepler College is the live classes, but also the support and the students that I've met.
I started studying at Kepler because I like the idea of how small and approachable the class size was. I love the fact that the instructors were there in real time live. It wasn't a self-study.
Kepler College has a structured curriculum with faculty who are experts in their field. Our clearly outlined learning objectives, live instruction, and various teaching styles are designed to provide students with a well-rounded, comprehensive education.
There is a wonderful community amongst the students as well as the professors.
We have each other's interests in mind, we support each other's endeavors, and we naturally cross-promote each other.
I see Kepler as becoming the gold standard for astrology schools in North America and hopefully worldwide. We have a number of astrologers who are very well established in the world who are building legacy programs at Kepler, which really puts their work and their scholarship into the future, in perpetuity, which is a wonderful thing.
The advantage that the online format does allow us to do is to connect with so many different people from all over the world who all bring in amazing gifts and wisdom and experiences from their little corners of the world.
As one of the longest established colleges of astrology in North America, Kepler College has helped thousands of students explore this multifaceted discipline.
There are advanced classes where you might learn, a unique technique. It's going to be medical astrology, astro mapping, medieval techniques, Hellenistic techniques. You might learn about counseling or relationships.
I am very excited about being a part of Kepler College's development because Kepler College is basically arming people with a metaphysical and intellectual weapon which can be used to change the world.
Whether you are a beginner looking for a solid foundation or an astrologer who desires a deeper approach to your practice, Kepler College has a course, certificate, or diploma for you. Start your journey today. Learn more by visiting KeplerCollege.org.